Hello, my name is Sarah, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a mini zine, a couple pages, using a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, and then anything you have around the house like markers, magazines that you can cut out, stamps, stickers, whatever you want to decorate yours with. So step one is to fold your paper hot dog style. So you want to fold that and make the crease really nice and crisp. So I've folded it hot dog style. Then you're going to open it up and you're going to fold it hamburger style. And then you're going to open it up. So make sure you're folding that real nice and tight and then open it up. Then you take your edge and you fold it into the center line. And you're going to do that for both sides. So I'll show you what that is. I took my first side, my paper was like this, and then I just folded it in. Then you're going to take the other side and fold it in to the center line. Make that nice and crisp. Now your paper should look like this. Then you fold it hamburger style again. Take your scissors and on the folded edge, you're gonna cut to the center line, that center fold. So now you have this. Open it up, fold it hot dog style like we had before, and then you should have a slit at the top like this. You're gonna take it, you're gonna push it together, and you're gonna fold. And now you have your zine. So I hope you guys have fun with that. Good luck.